instead of massaging me, I want you to do what I did over there for 1 hour.
Anong gusto mo? Ito or ito? Mayos-ayos
Can
ka.
you do it up here?
Demanding.
Please.
Talagang tao to.
Malakas, please. Like, oh! You don't do that. What kind of
Massaging.
You don't do that to the neck. You do that to the back. But the neck, you go...
Okay.
This is lazy. This is called lazy massaging.
Yes, this is laziness.
There's Swedish, there's Thai,
Laziness.
and there's lazy.
Ano?
There's Swedish massage, Thai massage, and lazy.
Lazy massage. Hoy, tandaan mo, tayo ang magkapares hanggang sa Friday, wag kang
Yeah,
dyan.
if you put in more work tomorrow, I'm gonna massage you. But you really tired me over there.
Wow naman, ang swerte mong pagkabata ka. Talagang sasakal na talaga kita. Char. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm here
Can you do this?
and I'm doing this.
Oh,
Saan mo nalaman yung parang ipul yung hair?
my aunties, my mom, ikaw.
Wala lang, sa hinihilot lang ako.
I'm Filipino, you know.
No, hindi ko alam. Akala ko ano ka.
Akala ko halimaw ka at first.
Bastos ka talaga kahit ka.
Oh my gosh, what
Sabi mo eh.
massage is this? Okay, when I massage you, Colette, you're gonna feel this. Same thing.
Wait, excuse me. You never massage me. Excuse me.
I'm saying when I do, and it might be in the never.
Huh?
Kala mo near future? No. Near.
Excuse me. Ikaw lang nag-assume niyang near future na. I might wondering. Ano ba?
Am I wondering what you might wonder?
Na ano kayang gawin bukas, no?